Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix marketing strategies with Adobe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying the key areas where your current marketing strategy is underperforming. Open Adobe Analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and engagement metrics. Review the data to find trends that highlight strengths and weaknesses in your marketing approach. Next, access Adobe Experience Manager to create personalized content tailored to your audience's preferences. Utilize the asset library to store and manage marketing materials efficiently. Consider using Adobe Campaign to automate your marketing campaigns based on the analysis you've gathered. Set up audience segmentation within Adobe Campaign to target specific customer groups more effectively. Create A/B testing scenarios to determine which marketing messages resonate best with your audience. In Adobe Photoshop, design eye-catching visuals that align with your campaign goals and brand identity. Use Adobe Premiere Pro to create dynamic video content that can enhance your marketing reach. Once your content is ready, deploy your campaigns through Adobe Experience Cloud for a seamless experience. Monitor performance through Adobe Analytics during the campaign to track engagement and conversion rates. Analyze the data again after the campaign ends to measure success and identify areas for improvement. Document your findings to create a comprehensive report for future reference and strategy adjustments. Incorporate feedback from your team to refine your marketing strategies continuously. Repeat this process regularly to stay agile and responsive to market changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.